everyone, and thanks for connecting again to my YouTube channel. This your girl Freddie King of Freddie King's Home Decor. First, let me take this opportunity to welcome back all of the subscribers. Thank you very much for joining the kingdom. I appreciate you supporting me. If you're not a subscriber, please take the opportunity to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you too can become part of the family and see all of the future video uploads. I appreciate your support, and I also appreciate you checking out the content that I'm producing here on YouTube. You might remember that this room I previously decorated for a minimalist. I will tag that video at the end so you can see it or view it as well. Now I'm going to change it into a spring sanctuary, integrate lots of pops of color, floral arrangements to make the room again feel nice and comfortable. I'm also going to bring in a little farmhouse appeal by adding a distressed window or piece of glass trimmed out to look like a window as the centerpiece for my dresser. I appreciate very much you stopping by to check out another Decked Out Designs by Freddie. Please continue watching. Okay, you know what time it is. Let's go. Thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button to join the kingdom. Until next time, bye-bye.